Guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel, Kavia's Vlog. But before I'm going to start what I'm going to have in the morning, I just want to shout out to everyone who is there for me. And kung di pa kayo nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please do subscribe. I decided this morning to have avocado, and I have luma na yung apple ko kaya hindi itapon, so I have to use this apple. I have some avocado, and of course same as usual, almond milk, but you can use whole cream milk or any milk you want, or any juice, like you can have that. And of course I have spinach, and I have some ground almond already. Yeah, this ground almond, so I'll add a bit, maybe 4 tablespoons. And of course our blender, kasi meron akong cleaning, pauwi lang ako galing sa personal caring ko, kaya ito going to work. So again, it's time here is 15 minutes to 10 a.m. So guys, let's get on with this shake. But I will add some rolled oats to have a twist. Now just need to have some more fiber. So source of fiber. So I have some rolled oats here. So now I'm going to start. I add first the spinach at the bottom, because when you put in the blender, so the spinach is okay. The hard part is in the blender. So avocado, ayan, avocado, apple, or apple. Kasi pag mayroon kayong avocado or apple or pears or banana, ayan. Pero huwag yung banana medyo sobrang ano na yung ripe. Ayan. And then I will add a tablespoon of almond ground. I will not add any sugar or honey. If you want, you can add honey or sugar. Pero kung gusto mo, so, wala tayong fiber, wala pa tayong ano. So, I might add a little bit. And 2 tablespoons of rolled oats. And then, milk. Oh, kilikili pa mo. Kilikili. Kaya macho. Dahil sa kaano yung sa trabaho yun. Mabigat. Yan. Yan. Seems good. Almond milk. Hindi milk. Anong gusto nyo? Yan guys. Shout out to everyone there. Sana okay lang kayong lahat. At stay connected to the family. Always share your love and blessings. And para lahat maging happy. Alright guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel guys. If you like this to shake my morning food, so please give me comments and thumbs up. Your honest comment is very grateful. If you have some negative comments, I'm happy to accept that, because in that sense I can learn more. So alright guys, let's start. Umpisahan na. Hirap mag-English. Kasi plus 1 na mag-aral guys. Yan. Shake na. Shake it over. Alright. To my 3 members, thank you so much. Ate Leticia, Sis Leticia Noble Makes Vlog, and kay Mama G, yung taga Albuera, si Mayora, thank you so much. And shout out sa lahat dyan, si Yongski TV, si Jonas Iyo Vlog, shout out tayo sa malala natin, si Madam Sitang, yung bago tayong kaibigan, ang Koilang, Madam Sitang Tasipan TV, thank you so much Madam for replying me when I message you on Facebook. Thank you so much. Cooking ni Ayay, cooking ni Tibiag. Ayan guys, very informative channel. Sa lahat, si Madam Mayra, si Mami Shing, si Mami Shi Vlog, yung brother ko, Ma'am Shi Donna Vlog, si Ate Shi, si Henry Faustino, sino pa ba? Si Lanten, si Peltay, si Inday Marilyn. Dami na hindi ko maisa-isa lahat kasi minsan yung isip natin. But thank you so much. Si Emil Vibes, thank you so much. Ingat ka dyan sa Bahrain. Now let's have this. I'll bring this to work because I have some. Ito talaga, shake talaga to kasi yan smoothie shake. Kung lagyan mo ng ice, yung sabi nila, shake po. Ayan, so grain. Dahil sa spinach. And dun sa fiber na nilagay ko yung rolled oats. So, we'll try. Let's see. Ako na kasi ito medyo yung iba sa trabaho. Avocado, nice. Very nice. Mayroon siyang fiber kasi dahil sa yung ano, mga fiber. Hindi naman tayo professional dietitian, pero ayan. Meron tayong almond. Kung high protein diet ka, in the morning, you can have smoothie from Filipino shake. Smoothie sa Australia. Cheers! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and kung meron kayo. Bye! Thank you so much for watching Sabia's vlog. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you next video. Bye! Sige, bye-bye! Bye! Bye-bye! Hello! Bye-bye! Bye-bye mga kabisigalog dyan sa my English. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Sign out now! Bye-bye! See you next video. Sabia's vlog!